Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make crisscross peanut butter cookies. All the components to construct today's recipe can be found in the description field. In a bowl, combine together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour along with a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk these ingredients together and set them aside. In the bottom of your stand mixer, add a half a cup of coconut oil. If you don't want to use coconut oil, you can use a half a cup of room temperature unsalted butter. To the coconut oil, I'm going to add a half a cup of granulated sugar and a half a cup of dark brown sugar. And I did pack that cup with the brown sugar. Add 2/3 cup of creamy peanut butter. I'm using Jif. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, and I'm using Tahitian pure vanilla extract. This is from Olive Nation. Stop by and check out their website at olivenation.com and enter in the discount code CT20 to get a discount off of your purchase. We're going to cream these ingredients together until everything's well combined. We're going to cream this together for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just make sure all that butter is really creamed in very well. And of course, you will need to stop your machine halfway through the mixing time and just give everything a good scrape to make sure nothing's settling at the bottom of the bowl. Now we're going to add the flour. And once we add that flour, we're just going to mix everything in until the flour disappears. You don't want to overmix this. So after all the flour has dissolved, remove everything from the machine, give it a good scrape, make sure there's no raw flour. Then shape into 2-inch balls, roll them into 2-inch balls, place them onto a parchment-lined baking tray. And you want to make sure there's about 3 inches of space, 2.5 to 3 inches of space between each cookie. And then use the tines of a fork to make a crisscross pattern. Bake them in a preheated 350-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes, just until the edges are nice and golden brown. Allow them to cool on the baking tray for a few minutes before removing them. And this is what the cookies look like once they're done. For me, they made about 28 cookies. These are absolutely soft, and I'm going to show you how soft they are. These are completely cooled. And look at the beautiful texture of this cookie. And look at how soft that is. These are so super easy to make. Very soft, chewy, and satisfying. I hope you try this recipe. Please let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. And please remember to love each other.